Hi, and welcome back to Building with Blocks. If you are following our tutorial, so far you have learned how to edit templates, how to edit patterns such as header, footer, and sidebars, and how to edit navigation. In this episode, we are going to clean up this template. It is a pages template that we use for all of our pages. So let's get back to editor, open templates, scroll down a little bit, and find our pages template. The first thing I want to remove from this template is this featured image block. We are not using featured image when we are creating pages, so I don't need this block over here, and I'm just going to delete it. Next thing, I'm going to remove the title block because I don't want to show the page title. Delete that as well, and save our template. Let's now take a look at what we achieved on the front end. Let's refresh this page. And the title is gone. Featured image has never been there, but that is gone as well. Now, before I continue cleaning up, I want to get rid of this PeepSo toolbar over here, and that is the PeepSo related setting. So we need to go back to our WordPress admin dashboard, then PeepSo configuration appearance, and disable this PeepSo navigation bar. All right, let's just make sure that settings are saved. And now when we take a look and refresh the page, this bar is gone. Good? All right, let's move on. Now I want to move this hashtags block to the right side. I want to remove online members and this orange block. And I want to add latest photos and latest videos block. Because I'm going to edit sidebars now, you guessed it, I need to go to patterns and actually handle my sidebars over there. So I'm going to open the sidebar PeepSo left, take this entire hashtags and copy the entire thing, close this, open sidebar PeepSo right this time, and let's start as adding the paragraph, but then just paste the entire thing and save it. Let's take a look at the front end. Let's refresh this page, and just like that, the entire hashtags block was copied from here to there. Let's continue editing our sidebar right. Remove this entire block. We don't want that. Save it. Let's remove the online members as well. Select the entire group, delete it, and then save it. Now comes the fun part. Instead of just deleting stuff, let's add something new. So find this plus in the middle, start it as a paragraph, paste your hashtags, and do the same thing one more time. And paste it, save it. Now the only reason why I did it this way with copy and paste method is to spare some time in the video. You can obviously select the entire group of blocks. So this is the entire group. Switch to styles and then edit the styling of your blocks, right? But if you copy and paste, you will preserve all the stylings from the previous blocks. But of course, we don't really want to have 3 same blocks in the sidebar. So let's change the title of this one and change it to say community photos. Now select the hashtags block, delete it, and then add a photos widget or block. Well, force of habit calling them widgets, but they are blocks now. So community photos, click on it and remove the title from it because we already have it, and save. Let's do the same thing for community videos. So change the title to community videos, remove the hashtags block, not a widget, it's a block, and then add community audio and videos block. Once again, remove the title from the block and save it. If we now reload our pages template on the front end, we can now see that we have a good foundation with the nice header, sidebars, main content, and even the footer that you can change anytime you wish in patterns or templates. So guys, that is it for this cleanup episode. In the next one, we are going to see how to change fonts and colors and general style of your website. Until then, I wish you all the best. Bye!